In this video, we're going to be looking at Axiom Pro versus BullX. We're going to be comparing features, fees, and overall user experience between the two platforms. So, first of all, looking at the features, Axiom Pro has a bunch more features than BullX. One of the features that I really like is how you have Twitter alerts and the wallet manager all within the same platform. So you can easily see all of the latest things happening on Twitter, and you can track all of your wallets and see all of their live trades as they happen. So that makes it very easy to snipe. As you can see, I can easily snipe right here and follow them into their trades. I also really like how the UI is laid out. I think this is much cleaner than BullX. To me, BullX is very clunky. If we click on Pulse, which is similar to the BullX interface where you can see all of the new pairs as they go live, and we compare that to BullX, and we look at Hyper, for me this just looks rather clunky, and I'm just not an overall fan of how this looks. And that goes for the whole user interface. I just think it's very clunky looking, the way that everything is laid out, whereas Axiom is just much cleaner, the words are much more crisp, and everything just looks a lot nicer in my opinion. Now, in terms of the fees, Axiom is 0.75 to 0.9% fees compared to BullX, which is 1%. So the fees are cheaper on Axiom. I've also seen a lot of users report that Axiom is much faster than BullX. People have been getting in on block 0 using Axiom. So far it's got more features, it's faster, and it's cheaper than BullX. Now, another feature that I really like about Axiom is when you see these coins launch, you can hover over and you can see Twitter. So this is obviously very important, and it's a very nice feature that they've got, because a lot of coins come from Twitter. Something happens on CT or just on Twitter in general, and a coin is launched. So this gives you quick context as to what the coin is about by just hovering over the Twitter icon, and you can see, more information about this coin through Twitter. You can see this one is replying to this Twitter account, and it's some sort of meme, and that's why that launched. So I think that's a really good feature. I think that's one of the most useful things that they've got on this platform, being able to see things like that. And also another great thing is they give back to the community. So you can see here, I received 0.002 Sol. This was from a very small trade, but this is cashback. This is rake back from a trade that I wasn't profitable in. So when you're trading using Axiom, what happens is when you sell, that Solana goes to the Sol incinerator. So it's automatically burned in the Sol incinerator. It's built into the platform that as soon as you sell, that Sol is then burnt, and you then receive cashback. So that's an amazing feature that they've got built into the platform. BullX doesn't have this. You can also earn yield directly in the Axiom platform. As you can see, earn passive income, almost 5% APY on Sol USDC. So that's really good. And here in the rewards, you have a nice overview of your rewards. So you could see all of your referrals here, and you can then also earn points by completing these quests. And I believe you can also airdrop to your referrals. So that's a great incentive right there. But overall, I think Axiom is the best platform that we've recently got to come out of trading crypto. This is miles above any other platform such as Photon, Trojan Bot, or any other platform that's existed before this. It's also just as quick as the Telegram bots, if not quicker. So there is really no disadvantage to using this, and there's only benefits. I personally am making the switch over from BullX Neo over to Axiom Pro. You can see they've also got perpetuals, so you can be longing and shorting within Axiom, and like I said, wallet tracking and all of the other good stuff. It's also got live P&Ls, so you can see live your current P&L and other traders, which I think is a very useful feature. So that is everything to do with Axiom Pro versus BullX. I hope you found this video useful. If you did and you want to sign up, you can sign up using my link in the description below. That will give you 10% discounted trading fees and the ability to potentially receive airdrops from me in the future. So if you like this video, please leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions. What platform are you currently using? Are you thinking about making the switch? And how have you found the switch so far if you already have? Subscribe if you're new here and you want to find more tutorials just like this one.